You know, because the faster we get out of here, the faster we get to go home.
Really?
I think so.
Get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna find something.
Shut the front door.
My kid comes in from school and she goes, "Daddy, I learned my new favorite word.
Oh, God.
It begins in F and ends in CK." I said, "Tegan Lee, what is that word?" She looks at me and she goes, "The way I'm rapping."
Yes.
You think I'm rapping it the wrong way?
Correct. Or the harder way. The much harder way. You want to bet? Keep doing it.
I just rap tape, bro.
Okay. You're never able to tighten it that way. Yeah.
It's not tight.
Yeah. Watch. I'm going to show you.
You go backwards.
Yeah, but I'm tightening it as I'm rapping it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's easy.
You just do it backwards.
Okay. Forwards, backwards, tomato, tomato.
But yeah, but as long as it goes...
Hold on.
Yes. Now, where's the truth?
No. We're going to do... Hold on. Okay. For Mikey fucking Pipes. And... MC.
Okay.
We'll see which one leaks. Hopefully none of them leak. And if you thought we forgot about the expansion tank, no way, Jose, bro. We got you covered. Got a new ST5 here, domestic thermal expansion tank. And yes, it's pre-charged to 65. You know what? We're going to take our little Sharpie, matching the house pressure.
Yep.
Look at this. Beautiful installation. We have the 1.5-inch unistrut mounted to the wall. We had a vertical piece right there, a horizontal. And I didn't like the way this was just dangling there. And I promised the homeowner that you'll be able to hang from this. And lo and behold, you'll be able to hang from it. Let's talk about what we got going on right here, right? This is that 3/4-inch PEX coming in from the street, okay? We've got a new main water shutoff, main H2O. The existing pressure reducing valve, we used a nice unistrut clamp right there for 3/4, got a little rubber piece in there as well. And we originally had just an elbow there. And as I was about to put this together, I'm like, yo, we got to put bypass valves in. T, valve in the middle, bypass remains closed. Word of advice, when the valve is parallel to the pipe it's connected to, it's on. Perpendicular to the pipe it's connected to, it's off. Keep that in mind for future reference. In the valve, so God forbid something were to happen to these tanks. 3 seconds. I think, yeah, about 3 seconds. And now that emergency is now an urgency.